Have you ever wondered why March is a crucial month for tractor farming? As spring unravels, farmers are given a golden opportunity to prepare their lands and machinery for the upcoming planting season. Today, we're going to shed some light on the essential tasks and tips for effective tractor farming in March. The first step is always choosing the right tractor. Compact utility or row crop, your choice depends on your farm's size and needs. It's like picking the right tool for the job. The right tractor can make all the difference. Next, we can't stress enough the importance of maintenance. March is the perfect time to give your tractor a thorough check. Oil levels, tire pressures, engine conditions, everything needs to be in tip-top shape. This preventive care not only averts potential breakdowns but also extends the lifespan of your tractor. Now, let's talk about plowing and tilling. These two tasks are fundamental in March. They break up the soil, making it more receptive to nutrients and fostering healthy crop growth. Remember, it's crucial to adjust your tractor's settings based on the soil type and depth requirements. Seeding and planting should be done with precision. Tractor attachments like seed drills or planters ensure consistent seed placement and spacing, optimizing crop yield and reducing wastage. Don't forget fertilizing and pest control. Tractor-mounted sprayers are your best friends here. Apply fertilizers and pesticides as required, but always stick to the recommended dosage and safety guidelines. It's about protecting your crops and the environment. Irrigation is another key element. Tractors can be equipped with irrigation systems, like sprinklers or drip lines, to ensure consistent and efficient water distribution across your fields. Lastly, regular inspections are essential. Walking your fields regularly allows you to inspect crop health, identify potential issues early, and adjust tractor operations as necessary. To wrap it all up, tractor farming in March is all about setting the stage for a successful planting season. From selecting the right equipment to meticulous maintenance and operations, each step plays a pivotal role in maximizing crop yield and farm profitability. Thank you for joining us in this guide on tractor farming in March. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more farming tips and insights. Until next time, happy farming!